Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to display playing Roblox to your Discord status. So let's begin. So here we are in Discord, and the first thing that we need to do that is click here on user settings at the bottom left and click it. And once you are here in the user settings, you want to scroll down until you see activity settings and activity privacy right here. Click on activity privacy. And from here, you want to make sure that you have display current activity as a status message toggled on. Make sure it's on. And after that, you want to go here to the registered games and make sure you have the added games right here, Roblox. And in order for you to add a game is that you must launch Roblox before, you must launch Roblox after opening your Discord account. In that way, Discord will be able to detect Roblox. Or if it's not being detected or it's not added here in the added games, even if you're playing it with your Discord on, then you can click here on add it, and you can just select your Roblox right here, and you can just search it right here, or you could just go and select it right here. And that's basically it. But you need to open it first. So yeah. So once you have this on, then it would automatically show in your Discord status that you are playing something or maybe listening to Spotify and so on. And that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.
If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you won't miss our future updates. Thank you for watching.